Every generation has that one invention that changes everything. Electricity, internet, smartphones, and now it is ChatGPT, that is AI. But most people don't realize how this tool is powerful. ChatGPT is not just some chatbot that answers questions. It is a teacher, a coach, a creative partner, and a productivity machine that is available to anyone, anytime. Students are using it to learn faster. Entrepreneurs are using it to create business from the scratch. The creators are using it to write, to design, and to edit in a minute. It is not about replacing human. It is about giving ordinary people the same leverage that a billion-dollar company have. And the craziest part is, it is free. That means its only limit is not the tool, it is you. If you know how to ask the right question, ChatGPT can literally change the direction of your life. So the question is not whether AI is important. The real question is, are you going to ignore it, or are you going to use it to level up your life? Because this is not just the future. This is the most powerful tool of our time, and it is already here, and the choice is yours. So if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Help your brother rise. One sub means everything to me. So thank you so much, and God bless you.